Hello students, a very happy and cheerful morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are taking good care of your health at your home, studying at your home. So, are you ready for your English class? We were doing the textual grammar portion, right? So, we had completed with the textual grammar portion of chapter 3 and now we will do a new exercise in that same chapter. So come on, take out your textbook and do it along with me. See children, on page number 25, you have spell. Spell means you have to spell it correctly. The spelling should be correct. We have done the new words of this chapter earlier, but now you will be revising because of these words. Now you will have to write it correctly, okay? See, cobbler, you can read it, though it is wrong, but you can read it. Cobbler, now find out the mistake. Where is the mistake? The correct spelling of cobbler is C-O-B-B-L-E-R. But here you can see there is only a single B. So we will write the correct spelling here in the given space. Write it along with me. Then beautiful, what it is written? Beautiful, but is it written correctly? No. What is the mistake? See, what should be the correct spelling? B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, beautiful. So here they have written double E. Instead of this E, A should come, right? You know the spelling of beauty, so you can guess it. B-E-A, and the remaining spelling remains the same. But you will have to check that if there is no mistake, okay? Then third word, surprise. What it is written? Surprise. But what is the mistake, children? Yes, here they have written double R. Now double R will not come, only a single R will come. So just we have to write the correct spelling in the space here. Okay. Dress. Dress. We all wear dress, beautiful dress. So, see, when we pronounce it, we say dress. So, you can guess what is the mistake here. They have written a single S, but the correct spelling is D-R-E-double-S. So, can you see how you have to find the mistakes? Strange. Can you read this word? Strange. But see how we are reading strange. After the sound of R, we are telling A, stray. So here E will not come, A will come. So how will you correct it? S-T-R-A-N-G-E, strange. Okay children. Then you have corner. What it is written here? Corner. Is it corner? No. How do we pronounce it? Corner. How do we say? Corner. So instead of A, what you have to write? E. C-O-R-N-E-R. Easy. Then stitches. So what is the mistake? Stitches. Here a T is missing. That T is silent. Even after adding that T, it will be read as stitches only. But here a T should come after I. S-T-I-T-C-H-E-S. Okay children? Finish. Finish. But now can you spot the mistake after so many words you learned? That you have to read and see the word carefully and see your double N is needed? No. So F-I-N I-S-H, finish. And with this word this exercise is also finished. So children, see below that you can see right on that page only you have been given a help box. Imagine you are the little boy or girl. One day you find robot in Hari's house. Use words from the box. This is your help box. Okay, you can take help from this box and describe what you see. Just imagine and think what will come in the blank. I'll show you 1 or 2 blanks, rest you will do by yourself. I can see robot dash inside Hari and Girija's house. You can see robot, see. What do you have to imagine that you find robot? So, I can see robot go inside. What robot will do? Go inside Hari and Girija's house. He dashed down where Hari sits to work. Where Hari was sitting, he will also sit. So let us find, he polishes down, no. He corner down, no. When you get confused, just use all the options. He sits down, we sit down, so he sits down where Hari sits to work. He dash up the pieces. He dash up the pieces, children. He picks up. Okay. P-I-C-K-S. He picks up the pieces. Okay, children. So, in this way you have to find the correct option from the help box and complete this short story. This is your homework. Okay, so I hope this was interesting and clear for you. Now in the next video lesson, we'll meet with the grammar portion of next chapter. Till then, take care. God bless you. Keep smiling.